Hello everyone. I'm Sajid Akhtar and with me is Navneet Singh. Navneet works with Snapdeal.
Yeah.
Navneet has been a very active technical contributor in OpenStack for quite some time, for more than 2 to 3 years. I think he's the right person to tell a little more about himself. And he's been pretty engaged with the OpenStack India community and helping us in organizing events in various parts of India, right? So, Navneet, please introduce yourself.
Hi everybody. So my name is Navneet. I had been, introduced to this fantastic technology 3 years back when I was working in a storage giant, and since then I had, continued my journey with a lot of interest and learning. And I think I am fortunate to be involved in OpenStack because it has given me both technical skills as well as interpersonal skills, communication skills, and a lot of exposure uh, you know uh, to different kinds of emerging technologies, architectures, networking with people across the continents, everything. It's fantastic.
Wow. So, Navneet, you have been part of the Cinder, OpenStack Cinder, and you have been contributing a lot of drivers on behalf of NetApp in your previous engagement.
Yeah.
So, what do you feel about the entire collaboration model that we have in OpenStack, and how easy or what is the complications? What is your take on the entire process?
Yeah, so as we understand the different components in OpenStack, so as today morning Mark was explaining, OpenStack is providing open source API platform which integrates all the major hardware vendors of particular technologies like storage, like networking, like compute, the server vendors. So it's like you have domain experts from all around the world across companies, and we try to leverage the strength of different vendors in a particular way. Plus, we also sometimes try to come up with a common feature where we have open kind of a non-proprietary technology integration with the component, so that people who want to try it, or who don't want to spend money in their firm buying and experimenting on proprietary technologies can still live with the open technology or the open hardware platform. So it's fantastic, but then there are challenges when we want to come up with a common set of functionalities across vendors.
Yeah.
So we have to collaborate, we have to do our weekly meetings, and then we have to sometimes cut some of the features which a majority or maybe a group of vendors want to support, but it doesn't provide value for the community as a whole. So we have to cut that. But then it's, as I said, it's a very good open kind of a model in which we try to bring both best of both worlds, both open source as well as proprietary, under an abstract layer which is provided by the company.
Right. So basically, it's a very open platform for the communication and collaboration, where you can get more people interested in any of the thought leadership that you're bringing in any of the construct of infrastructure, right? So with mutual understanding of the feature and the importance the feature gets implemented, right? And sometimes, so it's basically a very healthy debate, right?
Exactly. Yeah.
Great. So Navneet, what do you feel your engagement with? How do you feel your engagement with OpenStack India community, and where do you see this community going? And is there any feedback that you would like to give to people, those who are watching this video and they want to start their career with OpenStack?
Well, so there was a time when India was coming up, was picking up with the rest of the world, with the West, on IT. But that time has gone long away. Now India is one of the core regions in the world which not only adopts technology but it drives technology. So I would say that you know, just have your thinking, your thought process right, and get in touch with the right people in the community, and then you can do whatever you like, whatever is your interest. Be it any of the components in OpenStack. On the marketing side, if you see, India is a huge market. So India is an emerging market. If you take examples of the e-governance projects that we have, or the e-commerce domain that is coming up, or the telecom boom that we have in India. Economies in the West, as I have seen, they have reached a little kind of what do you call, a stability phase in which there are growth, but that curve is not huge. But in India, it's picking up like anything. So it's not a straight line. It would be a hyperbola or similar kind of a curve.
Absolutely.
India has a lot of prospects in terms of technology development as well as adoption. So people who are interested in technology as well as benefiting the community as a whole should, as per my advice, come and work with the Indian OpenStack community, and they are doing a great job. I know Sajid for more than 3 years. Sajid, Kavit, and the other folks, which are part of Indian OpenStack group. And I have seen since it was a very small community, and these guys have brought it up to the place where it is now. It's huge.
Thank you very much, Navneet. It's people like you, the developers, the entire ecosystem, get together and talk about something that we all are interested to talk about. So I like one thing, the passion in you, the way you actually tell that India is no more adopting, but it's driving as well.
Yeah.
So that's the power of OpenStack. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you, Sajid.
And we look forward to a very, very good contribution to community and OpenStack in future as well. I hope you enjoyed the OpenStack India Day.
I enjoyed truly all the sessions that I had, especially the food. Thank you so much.
Thank you. All right.